What's up everybody, Nate here back at you with another Everyday Technology video, and this is episode 3 of Crazy Cheap Tech, the series where I find extremely well rated yet cheap products on Amazon that'll give you an incredible bang for your buck. In this episode we're going to be taking a look at the Saramonic SR-XM1 plug-and-play microphone that for $25 is going to give you very high quality sound that will work with a wide range of products, including recorders, cameras, and even GoPros. Let's get started. Currently, the SR-XM1 has a 4-star review with over 100 ratings on Amazon.com, and as I said before, retails for $25. In the box, there isn't a whole lot. Essentially, all you get is the microphone itself along with a windscreen. Overall design of this product is amazing for the price. It feels sturdy, has a joint in the center so you can position the microphone, and even has a shock absorber so if you accidentally hit it while recording, the sound won't be as noticeable. Because this device is equipped with a 3.5mm microphone jack, it means that you can connect it to any device that has a 3.5mm microphone input. So before we get any further into this video, as I was editing, I noticed a few mistakes. I did not realize that there was actually 2 versions of the Saramonic SR-XM1. The first version can be used with any product that has a microphone input, and the second version can be used with smartphones. Now, up until this point, I've been telling you that this is the first version that can be used with a lot of different devices, which in fact it is not. This is the smartphone version, which can be used with any smartphone or any product that has a audio input. Both versions of the Saramonic SR-XM1 have exactly 0 differences between them, other than which devices they are compatible with. So the sound test that you are going to be hearing later on in this review is going to be the same sound quality for both of the versions. Sorry about all of this confusion, and here's the rest of the review. This is a microphone test of the Saramonic SR-XM1 plug-and-play microphone. Right now, I am about 6 inches away from the mic, and right now I am about 12 inches away from the mic. This is how it sounds with the windscreen off, and this is how it sounds normally with the windscreen on. Now I will be testing the plosives. Puh, buh, puh, buh. So personally, I feel that this mic sounds really good for the price of only $25. Let me know what you think about the sound quality of this mic in the comment section below. In my opinion, the Saramonic SR-XM1 is comparable to the Rode Video Mic Me, which is over 2 times the price. I realize that there are cheaper products out there, but they sacrifice a ton on build quality and sound quality. So if you're looking for a well-built product that can connect to a lot of different devices and still sounds really good, then I would definitely recommend the Saramonic SR-XM1 microphone. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you liked it, please subscribe below, like the video, turn on post notifications, and if you have any feedback for me, feel free to leave that in the comment section as well. I would also like to give a big shout out to Saramonic for sending their product out to me to give my honest review. And as always guys, I'm Nate from Everyday Technology, and this has been episode 3 of Crazy Cheap Tech. Peace.